Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video, we're going to explore the world of Chinese bike custom and introduce you to an outstanding customized bike factory and manufacturer, Xiamen Benshine. Xiamen Benshine is a custom bike factory in China that was established in 2013. With years of experience in producing and exporting custom bikes, they have become a trusted partner for clients in a wide variety of industries. Whether you're from a gift company, healthcare company, hospitality company, retail company, tool company, cosmetic company, outdoor products company, beer company, stationery company, or garment company, Benshine has got you covered. What sets Benshine apart is their ability to create custom bags made to your exact specification. Whether you need functional bags, retail bags, or promotional bags, their experienced sales team will guide you through the process. No matter what fabric, color, or special feature you require, they will ensure that your bags meet your expectations. One of the advantages of choosing a bag factory in China like Benshine is their competitive pricing. Due to low labor and material costs, they can offer you high-quality bags at an affordable price. Moreover, they have a large production capacity, which means they can handle both small and large orders with ease. Benshine offers a wide range of materials for your custom bags, including nylon, polyester, canvas, cotton, PVC sheet, Tyvek, craft paper, PET, and tarpaulin. They can also provide logo printing and embroidery services to make your bags truly unique and branded. When you choose Benshine bags as your custom bag manufacturer, you not only get access to high-quality products and competitive pricing, but also exceptional customer service. Their team is dedicated to ensuring that your project runs smoothly from start to finish. Now, let's talk about some of the trusted brands that have chosen Benshine. Bosch, FedEx, Shell, Hyundai, Karcher, PriceSmart, Reebok, Mini NBA, Polar, Skechers, Toshiba, and Kappa are just a few of the many reputable brands that have put their trust in Benshine bags. If you're wondering how to custom bag, look no further. Xiamen Benshine is your one-stop solution for all your custom bag needs. Whether you're an OEM bag factory, custom bags factory, custom bag manufacturer, or OEM bag manufacturer, Benshine has the expertise and resources to bring your vision to life. In conclusion, if you're looking for high-quality custom bags, look no further than Xiamen Benshine. With their years of experience, wide range of materials, competitive pricing, and exceptional customer service, they are the go-to choice for custom bags in China. Contact them today to learn more about their bag manufacturing capabilities and start your custom bag journey.